In this video, I'll show you how to use the Media Toolbar in Descript Storyboard. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, the Media Toolbar is a new addition to Descript, and this was included in the latest update at the time of recording this video, Descript version 58.11. So you can go on and update if you've not yet updated, so that you can take advantage and use these particular functionalities that have been added. Now, when we wanted to replace some of these layers, you had to right click on this probably to see what is going on and so on and so forth. But what is happening here is when I click on this media on the canvas or on the timeline, if I click on it, we'll get two new icons here, and this is the Media Toolbar. The Media Toolbar has two functions. One, to either replace or crop. So if I wanted to replace this particular video, it's a video, yes, it's already being used, with the script version of it, I can just click on this and then click on script. So we now go to the script version for this particular section. So instead of having to kind of do it over and over again, you just do that, and then it moves on to the next one based on what you want. So that's really handy. You can replace that. If you're working with active speakers, etc., you can actually even replace, let's say, click media, and then you pick any media you want to get from here. Let's say we want this. That's what we want. Say replace, and it replaces what we have here. So what we can do now is this person typing on computer, swap that. A little bit buggy because it should be showing this initially, but now it shows the correct thing. So you can actually even replace media really quickly on the timeline without having to keep going to the media tab and dragging media where you want it to be. So that's really handy. Next up is the crop function. You can just click on this. Previously you had to double click. It's still working, but now we have the crop function clearly indicated. So if I click on this crop, you can actually crop this the way you want it to be. Let's assume you want it to go back to the original, but instead of even cropping like that, we've got presets for that. We've got the original aspect, what we can see now, a square aspect ratio, landscape aspect ratio, and a portrait aspect ratio. For example, if I go for a square aspect ratio, that's what we get, and then you can move your media to reposition, and once you're satisfied with where that particular media is, just click on this tick to save, and that is going to be saved. So you can now set it where you want to be, move it, do everything you want. If you wanted to make it circular, just click on the layout with this particular media selected, and then just move this to the right, extreme right, until you get your circle the way you want it to be right there. So that's looking really good. But those are the two new things. That is the Media Toolbar, and you can see that wherever you move your media to, the Media Toolbar is going to be attached to that. If I click on the script version, it also has this, which is really awesome. But simply put, that is how the Media Toolbar works and what it has, the replace and the crop function, and how you can use them. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.